Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can transfer the photo or any data from iPhone to your personal computer in wireless way. So you don't need any tools, cables or anything in this to transfer it. So you just need to use the Drive application. Make sure that you already download this Drive application on your iPhone. So whenever you already download it, you just need to open the data that you want to send. Here I will let to use photo to transfer, and now you just need to take a look on this side. There will be like share option, just tap it, and right after that just go pick the Drive option, and they will bring you into the Drive options. Here you can also adjusting the folder where you want to put the pictures on. Make sure you remember the name of the folder, and then go click save here, and then go click upload, and you just need to wait until the image or photo is perfectly uploaded. Now whenever it's already uploaded, you just need to open your personal computer and open the Google Chrome, and then just need to type Google Drive, logged into it with the account that's same that you used for uploading this picture, and then you just need to find the folder and you got the picture directly into your screen and just download it. So that's the way how you can do or transfer the data wirelessly on iPhone to personal computer. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let's meet again into other tutorial.